Okay, so this one's not good. The title of this one says Alibaba launches electric sedan in partnership with China's largest automaker in conjunction with the Chinese government. How's that fair? As you guys know from the previous video, Tesla's on the hunt for a design chief to design cars specifically for the Chinese market. So how is that going to work if the Chinese government is in on producing cars for its market and third parties like Tesla are trying to penetrate that market? How is that going to work? Not to mention, this company that Alibaba is starting essentially is actually buying batteries from the same supplier that Tesla buys from. I don't know. I would think that Tesla would protect themselves a little bit more than that. I don't know how that would work. But as you guys know, Apple's also getting into the electric car market, and it seems like anybody that's got a little bit of cash right now is jumping onto this electric car bandwagon, and rightfully so. As you guys know, if Apple only gets 2% of the electric car market, their car sales will be as big as their iPhone sales. Seems like a no-brainer. What do you guys think? Is the electric car the way of the future? Don't know if you guys saw this or not. I'll put a picture of it right here. GM recently changed their entire look to look more electrifying. As you guys can see from the logo on the screen, they're heading in that direction. Whether we like it or not, everybody's going electric. Everybody, from supercar manufacturers all the way down to these new startups that are coming up here in China. What do you guys think? Are electric cars the way of the future? Are you guys going to buy an electric car? I own a Tesla. I have a Cybertruck on order. What does this mean? I know in the next few years, you won't even be able to buy a new car in California that's combustion engine. It has to be electric. What do you guys think? Is this sustainable? Naturally, after Alibaba announced this, their shares went up 4.29% in the Hong Kong press at the time. Here's another fact from the article. It says, sales of new energy vehicles in China have grown 11% to 1.36 million units in 2020 alone. What do you guys think? In 2020, Tesla was just short of delivering 500,000 cars. And I know at the end of that, Elon was actually tweeting and giving people incentive to buy them. He was saying, I'll give you a discount. Just please buy this car so that we can reach the threshold of 500,000 units in a single year. But what do you guys think? Would you guys actually buy one? Is range anxiety a real thing for you guys? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below.